You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word and clarify the pronunciation. Diagnostic procedure when you look into the stomach. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. English pronunciation here. Gastroscopy. Gastroscopy. So you stress on that tro syllable. Sometimes it looks at the esophagus as well. Gastroscopy. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Gastroscopy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.